Welcome everybody, my name is Kelly Hernandez. I decided to do this how to start a YouTube channel, a step-by-step video. The first step we're going to be talking about is linking that email to your YouTube channel, finding your niche. We're going to talk about what our niche is. Then we're going to talk about inserting pictures. The reason why I'm doing this in steps is because I think it's much easier because a lot goes into starting a YouTube channel. There are certain things like algorithms and all of that, and we'll talk about what are those things in later videos. So let's get started. So I'm going to go to my internet browser, which is Chrome, and I'm going to go here. So I made up a totally new email to start this training video, just because I wanted to show you guys, because if I was to do it, if I was you, okay? So I go here, I went to www.youtube.com, and right here, I already had my training.hernandez91@gmail.com. So we're gonna click on this button, create a channel. Here it has the welcome page. It says your creator journey begins, pursuing your creative passions, connecting with your audience, and sharing your stories. Begin with creating your channel. Get started. Here on this screen you see it says choose or how to create your channel. If you just want to use your email, it will filter in your name, Kelly Hernandez, or whatever you put in your email information. Or you can use a custom name to name your channel. So for this purpose, I'm going to go right here. So let's add a channel name. Okay, so for this, I'm going to do Hernandez Training Videos. Just going to click here. You're just understanding that I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube, search, and watch history. So we're going to hit create. Then here you want to upload a picture. So here we're going to click upload picture. I'm going to go to my pictures. I'm going to just go into this file that I created, and I'm going to just pick for this training video. I'm just going to pick any video I have. I mean any picture I have. Okay, so here you want to add a description here, because for this purpose you want people to know when they watch your videos what your videos are going to consist of. Okay, so for this description, I'm just doing this for this training video. I'm going to be putting, you always want to start off with a welcome, so I'm going to put welcome to my channel. Here you will find training videos. I'm keeping it very brief because, like I said, I want to do these how to start a YouTube channel in steps. So in other videos, I'm going to show you what you should put in here and what drives your audience to go check that video that you're posting. But for right now, I'm keeping it very brief. Also here, you can add links to your sites. Why is this good? Because if you were to view another YouTuber's channel, you're going to see they add all of these URL links right here. Okay, so by here you could see, all right, they have a website, so you can put this here. But right now, I'm not going to go into this. This is just the first step, how to start up your YouTube channel. So for this, we're going to talk about this later on. So we're just going to click save and continue. All right, so here you have all the options here. You have your videos, your playlists, your channels, your discussion board, and about. What's your channel about? Okay, so what I talked about is finding your niche. What is niche? Niche is your interests and your passions. What are you passionate about? What things interest you? You see a lot of other YouTubers on there. They have lifestyle blogs, they have parenting blogs, they have cooking blogs, they have DIY blogs. This is really good because in other videos I'm going to talk about, because there's a method of how YouTube categorizes all your videos, and you have to be very precise and very detailed in your description, so when someone looks for you, your video will pop up in their search. But that is something we'll talk about later on. So this is the first step on how to start up your YouTube channel, and the next part I will probably talk about is uploading that first video, the editing software that I use specifically, and also creating a YouTube banner that catches the eye of YouTube viewers. So that is the video, and I'm so happy that you watched this, and I'm very excited to post step 2, and I'll let you know when I will post that. Thank you for watching, and my name is Kelly Hernandez. Have a good day.